Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you how I make this sign for winter. I was not going to film this video because it's really quick, simple and easy to make, but I thought why not to share it with all of you. Maybe you would like to see it. So here I am. I needed a sign for a special place in a shelf that had to be a circle and about 10 inches in diameter. So I cut out the shape in a piece of foam board from Dollar Tree, and I had this beautiful scrapbooking paper from Hobby Lobby that I really love. I think it's really wintry. So I cut both pieces and I glue them together. I use double-sided tape, so I have nothing showing. It's really flat. Now I'm going to add some white nautical rope from Dollar Tree to the border. So here we go. It is really simple and just require a little bit of time for the glue to dry, and I want it to be exactly in the border of the paper, so that's why I'm being very careful and doing it piece by piece and not the whole thing in one step. I think I'm gonna stick. And we will be done in a minute. This nautical rope is so beautiful, and my local Dollar Tree didn't have it for I think more than a year. So when I saw it last time I went, I bought like four or five of them, because I don't know when they will have it again. And I have many uses for it. So we are almost done. Now I have to cut here. It is not easy to cut because it's really thick, but here we are. Okay. Perfect. Now, I also found at Dollar Tree these plates that I think are amazing. And they have a cord here that I cut because I didn't need it. So what I did was I used a black marker, my favorite one. I have it here. It's this one. I'm not affiliated with the manufacturer in any way, and I just want to share with you what works for me. So I did the whole border with that marker. Then I cut a piece of this blackboard sticker paper, which comes in a rolling cup and comes with a lot of chalks in different colors that I don't use. It's really inexpensive. It's like 6 $7 on Amazon, and it lasts forever. I have had it for more than a year so far, and I still have a lot left, and I use it constantly. If you watch my videos, you can see that I use it constantly. So I cut the shape, the same shape, but smaller. I eyeballed it. They didn't make any template. And then I transfer with white transfer paper the words winter time that I copied from the computer. I didn't print them, I just looked at them at the computer on the screen and I wrote them. So I transferred them with white transfer paper, which is, I always recommend white transfer paper when you are working on a black paper, because you get whatever you are transferring already in white, so it makes things really easy. I forgot to tell you that to cut the circle I use this tool from Dollar Tree that, believe me, is amazing how it works when you have to cut foam board, no matter the shape, but especially if it is something circular, something round. It's very helpful. It's much better than an X-Acto knife. So now I have to adhere this plaque to the, I draw this by hand also, the vines, and I'm going to use, to adhere this, I'm going to use E6000 and a little bit of hot glue, because hot glue only on metallic surface usually tends to unglue at some point. It's the same when you work with hot glue on glass. Sometimes it comes loose, and we don't want that. So as you can see, it has holes, and I marked where I want the holes to go, because I'm going to add something else there. So here we have the plaque in place, and we're almost done. Very simple. I'm going to use screws, real screws. These are the smaller I could find, sorry. So these are the ones I'm going to use. I have a screwdriver here. So if I push, they don't go through, so I have to screw them. Literally. But it's very easy. Once you have the hole made, as you can see, it's really easy. Some other thing is that, of course, they show in the back, as you can see here, but I'm not going to hang this. This is going to be standing by some other pieces of decor, so there is no problem. It's not going to ruin my wall or nothing like that. So let's add the last one. And we are done. I also wanted to tell you that to write the letters and the vines, I use these markers, Crafty Croc. I discovered them a week ago and I bought them from Amazon. Again, I'm not affiliated to any of the manufacturers of the things I show. It's just that when I find something that really works for me, I need to share it. You can see here the brand. They come 5 in a box, different sizes, and I paid like $10 on Amazon, which is really cheap, really inexpensive. So I had other favorites before, but these are so far the best for me. And the only thing, as I just started using them, I don't know how long they will last, because once I found a brand that was also amazing, as I say all the time, awesome, but it lasted, I don't know, I think a month or so, and not using it constantly, so it was not worth it. I'm trying to see now how long it's going to last, these new ones that I just found. And well, this is the DIY I have for you today. I hope you like it, and if so, please give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't done it already, and ring the bell so you will be notified whenever I upload a new video. Thank you so much for watching. Hope to see you in my next video, and have a wonderful day. Bye bye.